Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of health and wellness with a comprehensive look at the Super Collagen Burn Powder by TERRA ELMNT. Let's start by unpacking what makes this collagen powder stand out from the rest. Super Collagen Burn is not your average collagen supplement. It's a premium blend designed specifically for women, formulated with a holistic approach to support overall health and wellness. What sets Super Collagen Burn apart is its impressive lineup of ingredients. From ACV to hyaluronic acid, KSM66, ashwagandha, and probiotics. This powder is packed with everything you need to support a healthy metabolism, radiant skin, and strong hair. But that's not all. Super Collagen Burn also features patented collagen peptides, including Gelco-Pep plus hydrolyzed collagen peptides. These peptides are sourced from grass-fed bovine and deliver genuine results without the added taste or odor often associated with collagen supplements. Whether you're looking to support weight loss, enhance your beauty regimen, or improve your overall health, Super Collagen Burn has you covered. And with its convenient powder form, it's never been easier to prioritize your wellness goals. So, if you're ready to take your health and beauty routine to the next level, be sure to check out Super Collagen Burn by TERRA ELMNT. Trust me, your body will thank you. That's all for today's review. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews of the products you love. Until next time, stay healthy and stay beautiful.